Hi guys. Are you looking for the best electrical connectors? If you received a new electrical connectors, then you're in the right place. In this video, we're going to review the top 5 best electrical connectors on the market. You'll get to see all of them and select the best one based on personal preferences, reading reviews, and orders. Get less started on this video. Number 1. DIYU Electrical Connector. Link on the description on the below. Number 2, Penman-Bowman Electrical Connectors. Link on the description on the below. Number 3, Chenkangtasai Electrical Connectors. Link on the description on the below. Number 4. AMP Waterproof Connector Electrical Connectors. Link on the description on the below. Number 5. Kechtener Electrical Connectors. Link on the description on the below.